Often, the popular mantra that resonates throughout motivational circles is the notion that waking up early is the key to success. This ideology has permeated our collective consciousness, often serving as a rallying cry for those striving to find a path toward achievement. It's a concept I've encountered again and again, a tantalizing promise that beckons with the allure of boundless potential that awaits those who dare to welcome the dawn. I realized that such a transformation cannot be achieved overnight. It's not just a matter of setting your alarm clock a few hours earlier and hoping something magical will happen. Rather, it requires a deliberate and concerted effort to readjust our deeply ingrained habits, readjust our internal clocks, and redefine the rhythms of our daily lives. Embarking on this journey requires us to cultivate new practices, embracing unfamiliar habits that may initially feel uncomfortable or foreign. Yet, amid the uncertainty, there is a glimmer of hope, a recognition of the inherent flexibility that allows us to tailor these changes to our individual circumstances. In this video, I want to share with you the insights gained from my adventure towards enjoying the morning hours. However, let me be clear. My intention is not to impose a rigid set of rules or a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, I aim to offer a curated collection of strategies and reflections, each serving as a potential stepping stone on your own journey toward morning enlightenment. I invite you to approach this exploration with an open mind and a willingness to experiment. Give yourself the freedom to explore different approaches, tweaking and adjusting your routine when traveling off-road in the early morning hours. I hope that in the midst of these reflections, you can discover sources of wisdom that resonate with your own experiences, helping you reach your full potential and greet the dawn with enthusiasm and purpose just found. Have you ever found yourself in the perpetual cycle of being reminded of the importance of sleep, yet definitely sticking to your night owl tendencies? It's a common scenario for many, isn't it? Despite the constant advice from health experts and well-meaning friends, the allure of staying up late often outweighs the warnings about the negative impacts of sleep deprivation. We convince ourselves that we can function just fine on minimal sleep, pushing through fatigue with caffeine and sheer determination. Then, one day, something changes. Perhaps by sheer chance, you come across an article or study that delves deeper into the consequences of sleep deprivation. It paints a vivid picture of the toll it takes on our physical and mental well-being, likening it to the detrimental effects of other unhealthy habits like excessive binge-watching or overindulgence in unhealthy foods. Suddenly, it's like a light bulb switches on. You realize the urgent need for a lifestyle change. But making that change isn't easy. It's not just a matter of deciding to go to bed earlier and magically transforming into a morning person overnight. It requires a fundamental shift in mindset and habits. It's about understanding our deeper motivations and envisioning the kind of life we truly want to live. Think about those serene mornings, filled with peace, nourishment, and boundless productivity. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle the day ahead. Isn't that worth striving for? By connecting our desire for change with these aspirations, a subtle shift in perspective occurs. We start to see sleep not as an inconvenience or a luxury, but as a vital component of our overall well-being. So, how do we embark on this journey towards a healthier sleep routine? It's about taking gradual steps and giving ourselves the time and space to adjust. Start by setting a bedtime that allows for sufficient rest, even if it means going to bed just a little bit earlier each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. And be patient with yourself. It takes time to form new habits and break old ones. Ultimately, the goal is not perfection, but progress. It's about finding a balance that works for you and prioritizing your health and well-being. So, let's take that first step towards better sleep today, knowing that each small change brings us closer to a happier, healthier life. Implementing these two simple yet effective strategies can truly make a difference. Relocate your phone to another room and switch your alarm tone to a pleasant melody that resonates with you. As the soothing melody fills the air, take a moment to ease into wakefulness, allowing yourself to gently transition from sleep to consciousness. Rise from bed with purpose, crossing the room to silence the alarm and embark upon your day. You'll find that the way you begin your morning sets the tone for the entire day ahead, paving the way for peaceful, nurturing, and productive moments. One enduring practice to infuse your mornings with vitality is to incorporate audiobooks into your routine. Whether you opt to listen while engaging in morning exercise or while savoring the rituals of tea making or breakfast preparation, the infusion of knowledge and inspiration from audiobooks acts as a catalyst, fueling your body and mind with renewed energy. Cultivating this habit over time not only enhances your physical well-being, but also fosters a sense of productivity and accomplishment. Indulge in the simple pleasure of nourishing your body with a wholesome meal, a gesture of self-love that sets the stage for a day filled with vitality and vigor. Simplify your morning routine by prepping breakfast components in advance, whether it's batch-making granola for effortless parfaits or soaking oats overnight for a speedy porridge. Alternatively, stock your freezer with an array of fruits and vegetables to whip up nutritious smoothie bowls adorned with nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits, a delightful and nutritious incentive to greet the day with enthusiasm. Allocate a few precious moments in the quiétude of the morning to indulge in self-care, treating yourself to activities that bring joy and fulfillment. View this time as a sacred gift, an opportunity to nurture your soul and cultivate gratitude for the promise of a new day. By carving out space for personal enrichment amidst the tranquility of dawn, you not only fortify your spirit, but also lay the groundwork for a day brimming with positivity and possibility. Incorporating these practices into your morning routine isn't merely about the mechanical act of waking up. It's about embracing a holistic approach to self-care and well-being. By infusing your mornings with intention and mindfulness, you'll discover that even the staunchest skeptic can be transformed into a fervent advocate for the magic of mornings. Let's zoom ahead a bit and shine a spotlight on the pivotal role that our evening routines play in shaping us into morning enthusiasts. As the night descends, take a mere 5 minutes to set forth your intentions for the following day. There's something undeniably empowering about visualizing the upcoming tasks and challenges, as it arms you with a sense of purpose and direction that can propel you out of bed with renewed vigor. By preemptively mapping out your objectives, you pave the way for a seamless transition into the morning hours, enabling you to tackle your responsibilities with greater clarity and efficiency. Moreover, embedding small rituals into your evening routine can work wonders in streamlining your mornings. Consider laying out your attire the night before, sparing yourself the mental gymnastics of piecing together an outfit amidst the grogginess of dawn. This simple act not only alleviates decision fatigue, but also imbues your morning with a sense of tranquility as you glide effortlessly into the day ahead. Similarly, adopting strategies to minimize morning chaos can foster an atmosphere of calm and composure. Whether it's prepping ingredients for breakfast or packing leftovers for lunch, these preemptive measures serve to simplify your morning routine, freeing up precious time and mental bandwidth for more meaningful pursuits. As these practices become ingrained in your nightly repertoire, they seamlessly integrate into your daily rhythm, requiring little to no conscious effort on your part. Before you know it, these habits become second nature, effortlessly guiding you through the motions of each morning. So, as you embark on your journey towards embracing the early hours, let these insights serve as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards a more energized and fulfilling start to your day. And remember, should you find yourself yearning for further guidance on your quest to become a morning person, know that you're not alone. Together, we can navigate this transformative journey, one sunrise at a time. Thank you for joining me on this adventure.